A very good evening to all of the wonderful people who are sitting here. We started with some 58 students, and today we are around 30 here. So it's quite interesting journey till now. And you people are something different from the others. That's why you are sitting here and listening me remotely. So thanks a lot for being here. So for being awesome and for sitting here. So uh, it's actually getting quite cold than our last meeting, and this gonna be my new look once again. Jokes apart. So in our last meeting, I tried to find out some of the problems with you, with all of you students, and that problem is the fear of code. uh, we are lacking just because of one single reason, and that single reason, the biggest reason is uh, we don't want to code. We have a fear somewhere deep in our minds that we can't code, and that's why we avoid coding. And we avoid coding, that's the main reason we can't code. So it's kind of chicken and egg problem. Like we can't learn code without coding, and if we don't know how to code, then how can we code? So like we used to do in our earlier days, in our school days, we used to practice to write things, to sum, to do math sum, to learn spellings in English uh, by doing the practice repetitively. So I tried to analyze the problem, and I genuinely want to help you all. I genuinely want you all should code, you all should learn machine learning, and trust me, in next 2 or 3 months, you all would be doing coding. But just do a single promise from yourself, from me, from HOD sir, from all of your faculty members here, for all of your teachers, that you are going to follow me. Just please, for 3 months only. And here I did a little bit of research, and I found something awesome. And that awesome thing is this. Kaggle is the one of the biggest website for data scientists, for machine learning competitions. Actually, companies host their competitions here, and here are huge prize money and all. But Kaggle is a wonderful learning platform as well, and it's a hosted environment. That's the greatest part. So here is a Python tutorial, which is interactive tutorial. So it's a great start. So first of all, just open your Kaggle account, and if you are, or if you already have login there, then just log in. And if you don't have your login, then first sign up on the Kaggle, and then do the login. And I'm sharing this URL in the video below, and this URL would also be in your group, in your WhatsApp group, so you can follow from there. And in our next video, we will continue from here only. So meet you after 10 minutes.